Amanda Stern. Tina, we begin with the big story of the morning, the wind. According to CAL FIRE, the wind is what helped fan this brush fire near Livermore last night, just south of the Altamont Pass. This is a time-lapse video showing a glow and all that smoke. Crews had it under control by 11:30. About 50 acres burned, and thankfully, no one was hurt.
And live now to the North Bay, the other part of the Bay Area affected by a wind advisory, and it's sticking around for at least another 5 hours.
And so that means it's not going anywhere for your morning commute. Gianna, you'll have more on that in just a moment. But Darren, how long will this wind stick around, and how strong is it going to get?
The advisory expires at 11. But we're going to see some of the strongest winds come down a little before that. And the Altamont Pass, where we already had that brush fire, had a 60-mile-an-hour gust up there in the hills just about 3 hours ago. It's not that bad on the road. It's the hills that are going to feel this a lot more than the actual commute or the communities where we all live. Walnut Creek, we're seeing gusts for you to about 20 miles an hour, and that's where we're checking in on right now. By the way, that camera view is for Walnut Creek. There's another vantage point looking down the peninsula. All right, let's put some numbers on this. Temperatures are okay. It's 40 in Santa Rosa. That's actually a little warmer than you were yesterday. But here's the headline on the wind advisory. Yes, the North Bay is included in this. The winds aren't that bad up there at this point. It's like a 20-mile-an-hour breeze along 101. Mount Tam's got a 40-mile-an-hour gust, but down at the lower elevations, we're okay. It's the East Bay where you're likely going to feel this the most, especially going over Altamont Pass, where the gusts even down on the roadway are likely around 30 miles an hour. It stays this way through about 8, 9 o'clock, but watch what happens after that. The screen really calms down. The colors start to fade away, and by 9, 10 o'clock this morning, certainly by noon, the winds are far more manageable than this. We're going to take a look ahead.